Miss Universe Philippines 2026 may final hot picks.
And sponsors of Miss Universe.
So wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. As a Kemelec volunteer, let me share with you my final hot picks. Ilocos Norte, Pangasinan, Palawan, Negros Oriental, Camiguin, Iligan, Samar Island, Quezon Province, Louisiana, Bacolod, Negros Occidental, Laguna, Cotabato Province, Tandag, Albay, Mountain Province, Iloilo City, Bohol, Muntinlupa City, Nueva Ecija, Manila, Tarlac, Tacloban City, Sultan Kudarat, Cebu City, Baguio City, Cebu Province, Pampanga, Taguig, and my Miss Universe Philippines 2026 is La Union.
Moment.
So that's my final hot picks for Miss Universe Philippines 2026. But as a pageant fans, you can change the game. Yes, you can change the game during the coronation night using the premium pass of Maya. Just download the Maya app and create an account and avail the premium pass. And the moment when she came out from the stage, you can start voting for her from 1 to 10 in every segments. Para masuportahan nyo ang favorite candidate nyo hanggang makoronahan siya. But don't forget, may guidelines tayo. Hindi lang boto ng boto. Make sure may confidence in stage presence, overall impact, suitability to the rank. So ganun lang kadali mga hindi lang mga judges ang may say, kundi ang mga pageant fans din. So you vote, you decide, you vote with Maya now.